Hi, my name is Colin Nolden and I work for the Energy Institute, which is one of the centres of excellence of the University of Sheffield. I also work at the management school, so I'm based at the management school, but I'm funded through the Energy Institute as a senior research fellow. This implies I am a full-time employee in research, and I research energy policy, governance and business models. So generally energy is perceived to be quite a technical solution, and we have outstanding technical expertise here at the university. So at the university itself, as well as the Energy Innovation Centre out at Meadowhall. And this is where we develop technological solutions to improve the energy security of the UK, and also hopefully to contribute to the net zero solutions. My engagement in this here is more the policy side, so how policymakers can support the uptake of clean energy solutions, but also the governance side, so which is more the societal embeddedness of technology. So what it can improve the legitimacy of certain technological solutions, and how does society respond to the uptake of technology, and why do certain technologies fail or gain prominence in society. Well, I'm passionate about the sustainability of the world, so I'd like to hopefully contribute in some small way to decarbonising society and also improving environmental and social outcomes in the process. So that's the main underlying driver of why I've chosen this particular pathway. The energy sector is probably, well, it is the major contributor to environmental problems and to climate change as the biggest source of carbon emissions and greenhouse gas emissions in general. And so trying to find solutions within the sector is probably the biggest contribution that we can do ourselves to contributing to solving these problems. My work is quite policy relevant, quite close to policy. So one of my, jobs as an academic that I have gained through my career is that I'm a policy evaluator for the government. So I actually peer review policy evaluations for government. So I get direct insights into the policy making process, and I also provide advice on policy making. Now, whether this advice gets taken up or actually is appreciated, of course, is a different question. Now, what really motivates me is not necessarily the policy engagement side, but it is the more practical application side of solutions. So a lot of my research looks at how communities, so how people, how society in general, engages with energy solutions, and how energy solutions could be tailored to particular communities, households, people, and so on. So it is this engagement with people which is the most rewarding part of my research, really. It's not the writing of papers or funding applications and so on. It's actually engaging with people, and who are also very enthusiastic about developing tailored solutions which can not only, say, address climate change, but might also be able to alleviate fuel poverty. So with the change of government, there is greater enthusiasm for a wide range of social and technical solutions, and almost socio-technical solutions in the energy space. So I guess I'm in a fortunate position to avail of this kind of change in policy making, hopefully also contribute to the policy making process and also to upcoming funding calls in this area. So it's quite a dynamic area to be in, and there's lots of exciting opportunities arising, also because there is a greater societal readiness to engage with these solutions, but also there's lots of innovation happening here at the university and elsewhere in clean energy technologies, which could be brought to market and could be tested and hopefully diffused within society more widely.